Hey everybody, it's Mary Jo with www.chatandchalk.com. I'm here. I just posted on the page this beautiful 24 by 36 Ava, if you can see, there we go, that I did. And I added some color at the top, and I want to show you guys how you can actually watercolor with your chalk paste onto your board. So I've already done some of the pink here, and notice that you could leave it just white and leave it that what do you call it, kind of like an upscale look. And I've gone ahead and I've done some of the pink and the green. I'm going to show you the yellows and the oranges. And the brush that I use for these is an angle brush. I don't know if you can see that there. There it is. And so you can see that it just has that angle. And what I like to do with this is I literally like to go straight down like that so that I can get the nice finer lines. Or I could brush for the larger lines. So the next color I'm going to use is going to be this. It's an olive green, and this is going in the rounder leaves. So I have two different leaves on this pattern. I have the rounder leaves, which are actually on this picture going up to my daisies and such. I think they're just like filler leaves, but they're very cute. And when you do this, you just simply take a light pattern or a light bit of the chalk paste, and you're just literally brushing it on. And it doesn't have to be perfect, guys, because this is supposed to look like chalk. Okay, and I'm going to do both sides while I have my chalk. You might not be able to see me doing this other side, but I'll go pretty fast so that you guys can see the finished product. But I have actually, I took some of the orange and some of the yellow and mixed it together there, and did the different colors that I'm using for this board. And I've already done the top ones, so it's pretty easy to do. And it's not time consuming either. I mean, it takes time, but it's not as fast as pulling a transfer off. But it's not like painstaking where you have to, I think that's it, where you have to, nope, there's one, where you have to sit there and like torture yourself to do stuff. And then I just usually have a water jug here, and I just stick my paintbrush in there. And that way I don't worry about spilling it or splotching it anywhere. It works good for me because I'm really good at spilling things. I already did the blue, pink, so I need to do the orange and the yellow. And those I had already, I kind of mixed the orange and yellow to get that olive green. So what I'm going to do is take my lid of my Chalk Couture, and let me show you how this works. Just take the lid or something small, Tupperware butter dish, and just put a little bit of water in there with it, okay? And then you can just stir it around like a palette, and you're just making a little bit of runny chalk paste. You don't need a lot on your brush. And I'm trying to see what colors I did on the other side. And so then I'm trying to match it a little bit here, yeah. And then I did the larger sunflowers in orange. So let me get this one over here, and then I'll come over and do the other. But so you just simply, it's really simple to just take that brush and do the flat side. And I want to be able to show you guys how this looks when I'm done. I did that one in yellow, okay. And that's cool. I'm doing it right. Yay. And so you just take this again, just in, and color and pull it out. It's just so easy. It's kind of like smearing between the lines instead of coloring between lines, because it doesn't have to be perfect. You want to make sure you maintain that chalky look, right? And the other thing is I'm not going to color any of these. I want that to be white and to stand out and to pop, right? I mean, isn't that what I want it to do? Yes, it is what I want it to do. I think that's the only orange I have. So then the next color I go to is yellow. And I rinse my brush again because orange is darker than yellow. If you were going from yellow to orange, then you wouldn't have to rinse your brush because the orange would absorb that yellow. So again, you're going to take a little bit, put it on your lid, add a little spritz, just a little bit is all you need, and then stir it up just like this. Oh no, I have water there. That's okay. This is a chalkboard. It'll dry right away. Okay. And then again, you're just going to pull that through. Just like the shape of the leaf, right? And pull it. And I love this yellow because it's really light. And it just looks real pretty. This is the lemon yellow. I just like the way this looks. I'm going to add a little there because it looks like that should be there. And what's funny is if you have any mistakes or anything, you can just paint over it and no one will ever know. What? Yeah, it's called cheating in the first degree, man. That's what I call it. And then I'm going to do my daisy here yellow. Just get, I was running out of chalk there. So I'll turn my paintbrush a little bit. And the thing too is, if you do this over the white, that's okay because it's actually going to color it just a little, but the white's still going to stand out because white seems to be a brighter color with our chalk. So it does still come through. So I think that's kind of neat too. Neat little ditty for you guys, a little fact. Fun fact, fun fact. What? Say what? Okay, so then I have all the yellow done. And then I'm just gonna use the brown to do my centers and then I'm done. I mean, how fast is that? I think that's amazing. And then I'm gonna show you guys how cool it looks all together. So with the brown, I did go ahead and just put my yellow in there. I didn't rinse because that brown will absorb the yellow. And I just wanna dot a little bit in the middle, like this. And on both sides. And then I'm done. That's all I'm gonna do to this. And now I'm gonna take the phone off and show you guys how amazing this is. Hold on, let me get the phone out of the holder without turning it off. I have issues, guys. Hey, here I am, what? Okay, let me show you how this works. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this looks. I can't wait to put it up on my wall. I'm gonna have my husband help me hang it again. I wish I could turn us around, but I cannot because I'm on this video. So, see how pretty? I'm just kind of way excited about this. And that is that. I'll be happy to post this on my VIP page to let you guys see it. If you'd like to get the address for my VIP page, just message me here. That would be awesome. And don't forget to follow me on YouTube and follow me on Facebook and subscribe to the channel because that's always fun. And I will talk with you soon. I don't do the whole staging YouTube craziness. I'm just me. So you know what? That's okay. Most days, that works for me. So if you're just you and you want to just hang out with me, just let me know. Okay. Aloha, babe.